We're on our way to Big Bear City Lake. We'll visit the village, exploring the cute little shops and all of the restaurants and pubs. Big Bear Lake Brewing. We had a beer here last time. Really cute place inside. Eat some amazing food. Try to figure out where all the water went in the lake. Cheers! We're Marlene and Tomas. Welcome to Passports.
Here we are in Big Bear.
Big Bear.
You can see the lake right there.
There is the mountains in the background with a little bit of snow left on them. Very pretty. And this is the basin, San Bernardino Riverside area. Big Bear Mountain is in the San Bernardino National Forest. The first little town you hit on your way up to Big Bear is Running Springs. It's a cute little town. We're driving through the village here. It's a beautiful drive from any direction you come. Look at these rocks. I think there's a big cliff here. Oh, wow.
Help me.
No, I got you.
Oh,
I got you.
Are we in Switzerland?
No, I don't think so. Not green enough.
Not green enough.
We made it to Big Bear. Big Bear Lake City. Big Bear is known for the Big Bear Mountain Ski Resort and Snow Summit Ski Resort. Big Bear Lake is a small city in Southern California. It sits on the banks of a fishing-filled lake, although I'll show you later how it's receded tremendously. We're staying at the Lakefront Lodge. It was about $200 a night. It's expensive up here.
Yes.
You can do bed frame in there because ours broke.
Wow, I think we're in an area where there's really rich houses. They're quite big here in Big Bear. Now we're gonna go see the lake. It receded quite a bit. So here's our hotel. This is the lake view from our hotel. Big Bear Lake has receded tremendously over the past 20 years, and it just keeps receding. These are all the boat docks and stuff, so I feel kind of bummed because we don't get our lake view, for one thing, but
we want our money back. We paid for the front lake view.
So this is the picture that was actually on the website when we booked the hotel, and it was lakefront all the way up to the driveway. And then years and years of this lake drying up, and look what it's come to. It's so sad to see all the docks exposed after coming here as a kid all my life. What a shame that this lake has dried up. And then think about it. This person's house, they have like a mansion here, and they've lost their boat dock and everything. I mean, they do have the lake view still, but man, that's a bummer. Look at all these houses over here.
Yeah.
Look at their boat docks are just dilapidating because there's no water. That's just part of what's happening in the world. It's a bummer. All these boat docks. And this is years worth of growth on the ground. What a bummer. This lake really receded. It's very sad. We'd be in the middle of the water right now if we were standing here. Okay.
When you think about it, about those houses over there, was the perfect location.
Yeah, it was.
They had water down the steps, and now it's gone.
And the value of their homes? Wow, they've decreased tremendously, I'm sure. I wouldn't consider this lakefront. I mean, I guess you kind of could. What a shame. When you approach the village, it'll turn into Village Drive. And Village Drive will just cruise right through the little kind of one street center of the village. It's quite lovely. There's shops and tons of restaurants, and there's fire pits on the side. There's specialty shops, pubs and breweries. This little village has a lot to offer, and some of the food was absolutely outstanding. And we only went to like 3 restaurants. When you get toward the end of Village Way, you'll turn left on Pine Knot Way, and that'll take you straight to the marina. It's literally a 5-minute walk, and there's tons more bars and restaurants on Pine Knot Way.
Usually the one who acts out all those crazy little things we all kind of dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here. One or a few.
We're walking to the village. Free parking all around, they don't charge. We're in Big Bear Lake City. It's quite nice to be back in nature after being in Orange County. We're gonna go get something to eat. So we decided to do an overnight trip to Big Bear Lake City, and it's a nice quick 1.5-hour ride from where we live in Orange County, from like Laguna Beach right to the mountains. And the ride is beautiful, and we're just going to walk around the city, the village. You can come up here for hiking. It's definitely a ski area, but in the summer it's so beautiful, and we had to escape the heat because it was 95 at our house in Orange County. This weather is unbelievable.
And you can also rent a kayak or a boat, because there's a lake just down the street. So there are options. If you don't like hiking or skiing, you can just come and rent a boat or kayak and just hang out at the lake.
And you can get hotels reasonably priced. Ours was a teeny bit pricier. Well, I think we paid what, $180? $180 a night, but you can actually get little motels and stuff all along the road.
Choices from like $160 to $400 a night. It depends what kind of
accommodations you want.
Luxury you want.
Yeah.
You like.
What kind of, yes. Ours isn't very luxurious. We tend to go for the cheaper. We just want a good quality, cheaper place. Here we are, and we're gonna eat food, and the beer was delicious, and it's like, I think it's like 80 up here. So it's really warm, but they have a beautiful patio. Oh, this is called the Social Kitchen. So it's very nice. So we just ordered lunch. You can sit out on the patio. It was quite pricey. He got fish and chips, and I got a chopped salad. But we did get this Honey Bees beer, and it's delicious. It's light and sweet. This is really pretty. So I think anywhere you go in Big Bear, the prices are going to be a little high, no matter where you eat. So just expect to spend a little money while you're here.
But worth it.
But worth it, because it's very beautiful.
Very nice location.
Yeah. So the lady at the hotel told us about a Thai restaurant. What was it called again? Royal Thai. She said it had really good Thai food. And I just want to say to my husband, I think these portions are really small and we'll probably be wanting dinner in another couple hours. But the beer is amazing, and honestly, again, these prices were really pricey. 2 beers, the beers were $9.50 each, and the 2 meals, mine was $16 for this small salad. It's fabulous, but it's small. And his was fish and chips, so he got three pieces of fish, which were okay sized, and a little bit of French fries. Cheers! Kisses! The honeybee beer was 6.7%, and I'm feeling it a little bit. We're walking to the water right now. Their little marina, Pine Knot Marina. We're gonna see how much it costs to rent a boat. There's the kayak rental. Gonna see how much they charge. We're just arriving at the boat rental. It's all the way at the end of the marina. Let's see what the prices are. You can rent a pontoon boat, or kayaks are on the other side. What else did he say? Jet skis, right? Jet skis. This is it. And then there's that like little ferry boat thing out there. Maybe we'll do that. So it's $150 to rent the pontoon boat for 1 hour. That's a bit pricey. But that Miss Liberty out there, that's $23 for, was it 1 hour or 2 hours? I think for 1 or 2 hours. So that's worth it. So maybe tomorrow we'll take that. It is not a huge lake. It has receded tremendously over the past 20 years, probably more than 20. Kind of sad. Tourism is really like dropped here. But anyway, we'll try to give them some of our money. We're going to our room. A little rough on the outside, but let's see how it is on the inside. Oh, cute. Oh my, look at this. How cute. And there's a jacuzzi tub in the middle of our bedroom. And a fireplace. Wow. Which we of course won't use. Oh, a little sink and microwave. Hey, this is kind of cool. Cool room. And then our little patio with the lake view. We're at Royal Thai. It was recommended by our hotel. Thomas got the curry.
Dead spot.
Is it good?
Last year and kind of now. Tasty, amazing.
Oh, good. And I ordered pad see ew. Then we got some kind of vegetable fried rice that sounded delicious. Okay, so here is my pad see ew. And this was the fried rice that we got. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing.
Yeah.
It's great. So good.
Walking on a rougher patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise.
Very cute with all these lights in the trees. The nut house without nuts. Pretty the sky is turning. Oh, how beautiful that sky is. That Thai food was amazing. Now we're taking a walk and look at this sunset. Just gorgeous. Did you love your Thai food, Boo?
Yes. Delicious.
It was so good. Oh my God.
Usually the one who acts out.
Big Bear Lake Brewing. We had a beer here last time. Really cute place inside.
We are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here. One there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause the show is on the show. I say I got a taste for
Oh my.
All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table.
Hello, Mr. Bear.
Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show.
Big Bear's very sleepy in the morning. Everything's closed, all the shops, but the coffee shops and a few restaurants are open, so we are going to get coffee first. Is this the place we're going?
Yes.
We went here last time. It was really nice. This is called the Copper Q. They have cooking classes and coffee, bagels, pastries, espresso.
Please come on in.
And it's really cute in here. Of course, we know where Thomas goes, straight to the pastries. Oh, their scones look really good. Did I have gluten-free? They might have gluten-free here. Well, let's see. But we are going to go get breakfast.
You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I.
Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.